Good morning. Oh, okay, she's not done yet. So we can't see over there. Pretty much what we're doing today is a quinceanera. So right now we're just getting ready. I don't think you guys will see that. Stay tuned and let's go do that. Have a good time. Okay, and now we have Milani with the nice dress. Let me see, Mama. Wow, it looks so pretty. Babe, very low. Say hi to the camera.
Then go, your mommy go right here.
Okay.
Like that.
No,
You can go right here. Yeah, like that's perfect.
Okay.
I'll try to do like the big.
Say cheese.
Cheese.
Well, I'm kind of taking a video, so. Gotcha! Hey, we're ready. We're ready though. You guys looking lovely. What? Well, family, we are out. We'll keep you guys updated. It should be a fun day today. Woo! So a little bit of info of what today is, right? Besides the quinceañera, Anna and I have the honor of being, how do you say it? Padrinos, godparents. There we go. We're going a little earlier just so we can get stuff ready.
Girls, how are you guys doing back there? So I'm currently doing my hair, but we're on our way. It is in Corona, right?
Is it in
It's in Corona, so about 50-minute drive.
No what? No what?
Milani with her opinions. We'll see you guys in about 50 minutes.
So the little ladies got a little hungry.
We got a little bit of... Where is it? You can't even see it.
We're somewhere. No free promo. Don't let them.
Because they were hungry? Huh?
There's gonna be food over there at the 15s, but you know, who knows when we're gonna start eating.
And who knows when we're getting there.
In a bit.
Especially because Oscar will be driving us tomorrow.
Bro, I'm driving safely. Okay, so the quinceañera is about to get here.
Gosh, look at the car.
Oh, look. Apparently she got here in a pretty dope car. I want to go see what it is. Come on, girls. Okay, so it's semi-started. We made these, by the way. We made these. That one too. That one. That. You get it. You guys get it. Oh, I wish we could show them the bouquet we made too, huh? The bouquet, yeah, the money bouquet. We made like a $100 bills with them. Yeah. All right, I'm gonna go show you. We also made this one. And but we'll show you a little bit more of how things are going, okay?
She was trying to bite me.
No free promo.
Not sponsored. Okay, so this is the line for the food. You guys saw who was that? go. Let's go behind the table. Got some beans, some pico de gallo, the tortillas over there.
Let me see, Mama. Where you going? Come here. I don't know what video Anna took earlier, but
Watch it.
whatever it was, it ended amazing. This is gonna be the next clip. Pretty much just everything happening. Okay, so you want to do the honors bit?
To what?
How you feeling? No, you don't look nervous.
Hey,
They're more scared of you than you are of them. Babe, you're looking mad beautiful.
I'm nervous.
You're nervous. I took off her song. So, anyways, good morning, guys. Kind of cut the quinceanera video short. There was an incident. I don't know if we'll talk about it. I don't think we will. I don't know. Anyways, this is the next morning. El recalentado.
¿Cómo?
El recalentado.
Okay.
Melanie, good morning.
And she's like, let me see. She always sees her face.
I know. All right, well, mad love if you guys got to this far. You like, subscribe, and yeah, enjoy the rest of the video, okay?
Esto no fuera posible sin ustedes. Y muchas gracias. Dios me los bendiga a todos. Y estoy llorando porque tengo alergias. Pero gracias a todos por estar aquí disfrutar la noche. Ahorita que empiece el vals, luego el baile. Y pues para empezar la noche bien, ¿no? Con mi agüita. Vamos a levantarlas todos.